Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to teach you guys how to cornrow. Jamaicans say canerow, however you want to call it. We're gonna do it together today, okay?
Big up yourself to this video's winners. If you want to be featured too, don't forget to screenshot this video and tag me in your IG story, as well as comment below on this week's video.
You're going to need nail polish. I have 3, okay? You need some grab clips. You need a tail comb. So nail polish, right? Ready? We're going to do the thumbs blue. A little mani-pedi in the meantime, in between time. And for my forget you finger, I'm going to use nude. Forget you. But we don't use that. It's a bad word. You know when girls just did their mani-pedi like, oh my god girl, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. These 6 fingers, just focus on them. Alright, mainly pink. I would suggest that you make a big parting so that you could see what you're doing. It won't be perfect right away, right? If it is, let me know. But just do a big parting so for our sake and for my sake and your sake, you could see what's going on, okay? Get your grab clips. Get the rest of the hair out your way. We're just focusing on one section of the head. Now, when she's at a good angle, always detangle the hair, because a lot of times you're making a braid and your finger is like stuck in there and you're like pulling and you don't want to pull the other person's hair out, okay, or yours if you're doing it. So make sure you detangle at all times. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 sections. 3. Focus with me. These fingers, hold it like this. Now I'm grabbing this section, okay, little piece. I'm holding it with these 3 fingers. All right. Mostly, this is just for guarding. Look at the color. My middle finger. It's just for guarding. Just for guarding. But I'm mostly holding it with these 2. My thumb and pointy. Right? Then I use my pink finger. Remember, I'm telling you she's going to be doing most of the work. I use her to grab. And the other part I'm holding right here. Okay? Now, follow me. See? Blue, pink, mauve. Pink and blue. And I'm just grabbing this right here with both the blue and the mauve. The blue and mauve. Alright? One more time. one more time. Pink and all three. Now, well, it depends on whether you're a righty or a lefty or whichever feel comfortable. Take your middle finger, take your pointy finger and go underneath. Now, this is the hair that I'm holding. Go underneath. Let's switch our head around so you can see. Go underneath. See? And grab onto the end like so. So the middle part will be left out like this. So I'm grabbing underneath, taking my other three fingers. So it's always 2 and 3. Grip. Pinky goes underneath and grab the other end. Middle fingers left. Middle pieces left. Pull it over. My 3 fingers. Now I'm going underneath again with Miss Pinky. Okay, but this time I'm grabbing up some more from the end and going underneath. Okay, coming back up. And I'm also pulling some from the ends from here too. Middle is always left out. Come, holding it, using my pointy again, and go underneath. And grabbing the end. Always hold the hem. Put some with Pinky. Go underneath again with Miss Pinky. When you go underneath, you're taking some up from the sides again. Right? Always take up some. Now I'm using my 3 fingers again to pull. Go underneath with Pinky again. When I go underneath, I grip what is here, but I also take some and put under. Pull. See? I grab some again from the end, always, and pull the middle around. Always pull in the middle around. This is the middle piece, it's just the angle. Going underneath with Miss Pinky and then pulling and get more hair in there. So always hold the hair that you had before, plus grab up some more. Holding pink and blue. Pinky and pointy. Pinky, which is pointy, and Mr. Thumb. Okay, always pick up some more until you reach the bottom. So when you get to the bottom, this is always a tricky. When you get to the bottom, this is always a tricky part. Now, you don't want to let go and start plaiting right away. You're going to act as if you're still cornrowing. Right? Always putting your finger underneath. When you get to this section, now you can fix your hand however it's comfortable. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have reached thus far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to Jasmine, Coco, and I. Alright, so remember, don't forget your 6 fingers. Alright, and if it makes it any easier, do paint your nails so that you can maneuver and watch this video, and watch it as much time as you need to so that you'll be able to get the process. Alright, and don't forget to share with your friends and to ding that notification bar so that you'll know when I post a video. Alright, ciao.